2021 Jeep Gladiator. With less than 72,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. 4-wheel drive, backup camera, convertible soft top, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, roll bars, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.